Hi everyone, in this video, let's learn what is Instagram Threads app and how it works. Now, Threads is an app from the Instagram where you can post threads, replies to others, and follow profiles that you are interested in. So from your App Store or Play Store, just write Threads and Instagram app, and then you'll be able to see this logo wherein you can download this for free, or you can just directly go on your Instagram and check if you got an invitation from Threads. So you can use this platform to have the conversation, to post, and to set the tone for others to see. So if you have this ready, download it to your phone. Now let's get started on how to use it. So from your Threads app, it will give you the following options, the same as Instagram, wherein you'll be able to see your homepage. All of the people post things are in here, so you can read their messages. And this icon here, so the first one, you'll be able to find your profile, and under your profile you can edit it and you can share it as well. Now you can also tap that upper right corner, that symbol wherein you can see the settings and the Instagram logo to direct it to your Instagram app. Next is this heart button wherein you can see all the activities in there, all your friend requests, your replies, and mentions from the postings that you have from your followers. Next is this icon wherein you can write a thread and post it and share it with your followers and friends. This search bar or search button wherein you can search a specific username and you can connect with. So that's basically the process of using this Threads app. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.